Cheese, come on in.
Gossip. It comes from the Spanish word chisme. And then the menu more diversified because Filipino cuisine has Southeast Asian roots, but we also have a lot of influence from Spain and the Mediterranean as well as Asia. A lot of our recipes are recipes from families, from my own, from Japanese family roots. And then we just tweak it and we do our own interpretation so that it's uniquely from TSISMIS New York City.
Gotten really a lot of compliments on this artwork, so we're very excited to have Jeanne here as our guest artist.
And I just want to thank Anna and all of TSISMIS for coordinating this show together and for me to be the first artist here. It's such an honor. Just a few words about the work. It's a compilation of pieces starting from 2016 to present day, so you can sort of see the shift in how crazy all the colors get, to how calm and like more thoughtful they become. But they all deal with food and Filipino identity and celebrating what that is, what that means to me. And I hope you enjoy it. Thank you again for coming here to be part of this. You're all restaurant. And a lot of my works, they recall food, they recall memories, and those are my access points to the Philippines, which is a country that I've never been to, but my parents always talk about. And for me to understand what that identity means to me, I am interested in discovering that history, thinking about how my ancestors struggled to get my parents and my aunts and uncles to live here in New York City, in America, like thinking about that and how lucky I am to have everything I have.